Hello, folks. I went to ABC Liquor here in Florida, and this is a product of Sazerac. It's a barrel strength, so it's an ABC pick. So if you guys look at it, hopefully you guys can see that. It says Sazerac barrel strength ABC barrel select. ABC select. It's about $35. Bowman Brothers. Still sealed. So we're gonna try this, see if it's, the bottle is very nice. Look at that. Look at that. It's a big cork. They sealed this thing pretty tight. Okay. Seal is broke. Got my cup here. Let's see if it's gonna pop. No pop. Oh my. There it is. So it's brand new. It's newly opened. Needs to sit there probably about 10 minutes. So right now all I smell is alcohol, so let it sit for a while. So I just came back to Madrid. It's a good trip, a lot of walking. Yung tapas nila is very good. I suggest trying to look for a local bar, because the food was better. Well, the service was good. It's personal. At the same time, the food was good. It's a okay portion. But they get to know you, so they ask you, who you are, you're visiting, and whatnot. So me and my brother really had a great time there. So it's 1 minute past, but let's see on the legs. Viscosity. Yeah, the legs is very, very, very nice. Look at that. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's still sticking on the top. On the nose, strong alcohol. How many percent is this? It is only 90 proof. Again, kasi brand new pa lang ako sa bourbon. Ang una kong nasi-smell kagad is yung alcohol. I smell caramel. A little bit of citrus. Now I smell some sweets. Maybe it's vanilla. Mamaya i-confirm ko. So it's been 3 minutes, usually about 5-10 minutes, but haba masyado yung video. Let's try. very peppery. Strong up front. So unang palate is very strong, maybe because I just opened it. Yung alcohol is very prominent. But too peppery. I don't know what Bowman Brothers Small Batch. I wonder if this is rye. Don't know if it's rye or wheat. I just bought it. It's the bottle, and it's a ABC Select. So for now, I've been drinking a Weller 102 the past few days. Compared to this, Weller is probably a lot better. But this is the same company. It's Sazerac. And the other one is Buffalo Trace. I think they're... The nose is very nice. I don't know why the taste doesn't follow. Very peppery. Maybe I'm gonna make this thing open up a little bit more, but so far I don't like it. Review is I don't like it. Maybe I'll make another review later on once it sits here for a while because it's already open. Too peppery for me.